I'm gonna go over darts, pleats, tucks. Let's get to work. Okay, by now we are familiar with a dart. These are the legs of the dart, vanishing point, apex. When we stitch the legs closed, we end up with a dart. But if we only fold the fabric over like this and stitch only in the seam, like this for example, this is a pleat. So I have not sewn the legs together. I've left it open. This is a pleat. I've only sewn right here. And if I only sew down to a certain point, let's say I only sew the legs to a certain point like here, this is known as a tuck. So a dart, a pleat, and a tuck is drafted the same way, but it's how it is sewn that determines if it's a dart or a pleat or a tuck. Welcome to Fashion Premier Academy. Design your future now.